안녕하세요 Arkies! Leichen입니다. Welcome back to my channel. And for today, I will be sharing one of the hidden charms of South Korea. South Korea has a lot to offer for their tourists and it's overwhelming. I have decided to plan a trip, a train to Busan. Okay? On the other hand, Busan has 16 districts and I chose Haeundae, Busan, South Korea. Kade to Haeundae is a big district. That is why I took a personality test at Visit Busan webpage. And here are the results. I love the idea of camping since I haven't done that here in the Philippines. Now, let me show you my real planned trip, a train to Busan. I have three main activities in Haeundae, Busan. One, I will visit Haeundae Cathedral. Two, I will go camping as suggested on my personality test. And third, I am going to witness the Kwangali fireworks festival in Kwangali Beach. So now, let's begin our journey. Imagine your Korea. Imagine that I have all the luck in the world and make it happen. Imagine my 1-week vacation in Haeundae, Busan. This is a DIY travel, so I plan ahead with my activities. I will be in Haeundae, Busan for 7 nights, 6 days. Wow! I will have a round trip ticket from Philippines to Busan from October 31 to November 6. I will be leaving on October 31 at the IA Terminal 2, Philippines, and I will be arriving at Gimhae International Airport, Busan, South Korea. I will be staying at Blue Boat Hostel, Haeundae, Busan. I will be sharing the room for other 5 people, so it will be less expensive. And when I Google search the area, if you are familiar with Google Street View, I found that the place where I'll be staying is perfect. They have a restaurant, they have cafe, the church is near my hostel, and there's a lot in the area, so it will not be boring. For the next morning, November 1, I will be just roaming around the nearby attraction on Haeundae. For November 2 and 3, I will be staying at the campsite at Gijang-gu, Busan. And now, I want to introduce this campsite. The moment I saw this campsite, I fell in love with it. It is exactly what I'm looking for. In the sea, I will be sleeping at a van, a caravan. So I chose cow room 2. There is 2 beds, bunk bed and single bed, And you have this personalized rep, there's a kettle, and you can enjoy your barbecue outside your caravan because you have this cottage just for you. There's also a cafe, the Wave on Cafe, minimalist but elegant coffee shop. You can also have breakfast and some meals over there, overlooking to the sea. November 4, I am going back to Haeundae and stay again at the Blue Boat Hostel, explore around Haeundae, and I will just go with the flow. So, and for November 5, of course, I will watch this Kang Gali Upang Upang Festival, or the fireworks festival. And for November 6, of course, I will be going back to the Philippines as I planned for this trip. So I hope you like my DIY travel, and I'm looking forward to witness this personally. Okay? See you soon!